I hope it's on my butt. Oh! Oh, geez, somebody help! Help, help, help! Ow, ow, ow! Ow, ow, come on, take me to the hospital, okay?
Okay, then the shopping cart.
Oh, geez, why is there a naked lady in the shopping cart? Shopping cart or something.
Shopping cart.
Take me. I mean, she got some long legs, but I don't want that. Please! Woo! Ah! Where's the nurse? All my bones are shattered.
This is the nurse on the bottom, but the nurse is toasted.
I will get somebody else, please, that can help me. Please?
I'll help. I'm not toasted at all.
Okay, just help me. Seems like all my bones are shattered. Take me to a coma, please.
Brooke.
Take me to a coma. Brooke. Yeah, take me to a coma, Brooke.
Okay, then the shopping cart. Sit down.
I'm as good as I can. Wait! Alright, I'm much better. Let's do some stuff after. Do not stop it. Don't. So, what we're doing is I'm the sexiest man alive, of course. My boy Gage, he's the cameraman. Please like, subscribe. I've seen a ton of subscribers just going down. They're probably grown-ups because my dad. Yes, my name is not Joshua Pierce, so get it right. Anyways, we are going to change our channel to Kid and Dad soon. So, yeah. Keep on going. Please like, subscribe, comment. Make it so this video gets really good views so I can make some money off of that. Bye!